Hello everybody. I just wanted to post up this update video, welcome you all to the class. A few things I wanted to go over that are part of getting started for this week's assignments and for knowing what we're going to have to do the rest of this semester. So let's take a look. I just want to walk through real quick how you can register and get access to the textbook on Connect. So step number one is you need to click on D2L, obviously, or Brightspace, and go to the class homepage for this class. And on the right-hand side of the screen, you will see a McGraw-Hill Connect link. Follow that link, and it will give you step-by-step instructions. There's a news item here that gives you a little bit more detail if you need it. If you've never created a Connect account, you will have to do that first. So make sure that you do that first if you haven't. And that's very simple. So at any time, please do not, if I ask you to enter your credit card information, do not do that, because you will be automatically charged on your Bursar, so you do not need to pay for anything. If you so desire, you can order a loose leaf copy of the textbook if you're old school like me and like to have your hands on something like that. So keep that in mind. I wanted to also show you, once you get onto Connect, there's a couple of different elements of it that I want everyone to be aware of. Okay, so once we're on Connect, you're going to see this, and I don't have the folder set up yet, but they will be shortly put on here. So you'll see that we'll have different categories. So we'll have maybe a few homework assignments throughout the semester that we'll use on Connect. We'll have quizzes that will be available on Connect, and then also reading assignments. So the reading assignments are going to utilize the SmartBook technology that Connect has. So if you click on that, you'll notice that for Chapter 1, for example, that's due this week, and all these reading assignments are going to be due at the end of the week, so Sunday by 11:59 p.m. You'll notice that it highlights parts of the chapter, and you can actually turn that on and off down here on the left-hand part of the screen here. So you'll notice, like when you're reading it, some of the text will be highlighted yellow like this, and then some of it won't. You won't be able to read it. Now, you are more than welcome to turn those highlights on and off as you choose and read the entire contents. What I've done here is to try to make this where the reading assignments are very manageable and won't take you very long at all, but it highlights the kind of key components that you need to be aware of. Now, you know, when it comes back down to test taking time and that kind of thing, you would definitely, since it's going to be open book and open notes, you want to be able to turn that highlight off. So once you've done that, here on the left-hand side of the screen, you've got practice. You click on that, and it's going to ask you the reading comprehension questions. So just make sure that you understand what it is you have been reading about. So if you don't remember the answer, you can even click on where it says read about this, and it takes you to that section of the chapter. So each one of these reading assignments is worth 5 points, so make sure that you get them done and submitted in time. You know, if you miss one or two, it probably won't be that big a deal for your final grade, but they will add up over the course of the semester to be a decent chunk. So keep that in mind as we press forward through the rest of the semester. And again, email me at any time with any questions. Thanks.